So the next PAILs and rails we're going to focus on is the anterior line, is the posterior line. We're going to start with the posterior line and building more flexion into our spine. So if you're having difficulty when you're like bending over, things like that, this will help. So this is just going to be the camel pose. If you may have done cat camels in yoga. But first, you're just going to kind of round the back and just hold. And you're going to hold for 30 seconds. Now this contraction's a little bit different. You're not really going to be contracting a single muscle for the PAIL. You're more thinking of just building tension in that posterior line of the body. So I'm holding this stretch, but I'm kind of contracting my glutes, my hamstrings, squeezing my shoulder blades a little bit, just so I'm really focusing on that posterior aspect of the spine. You're gonna again hold that for about 30 seconds. And then for the rail, you're gonna try to go deeper into the stretch, really contract your glutes, really contract your core, and try to round that spine out. And you can kind of move around and find different segments that maybe need a little bit more TLC than other spots. And then for the remainder, you're just gonna kind of relax, new range of motion, just hold that passive stretch. This stretch doesn't look like a whole lot is changing, but I want you to be focusing your attention on those different areas. Now we're gonna do the opposite movement to work on the anterior line. So this one is it's a lot more of an advanced move, so only give it a try if you're very confident you can perform this. But this one, you're gonna start out with the back bend, and you're just gonna hold. So that's gonna be the beginning. You're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds, and then you're gonna focus on the anterior line for your PAIL. So you're gonna kind of contract your quads a little bit, contract your abs, maybe your chest, the front of your shoulders, and you're gonna hold that for about 30. After that, you're then gonna try to squeeze the glutes and try to go deeper, try to extend the spine even more, so you're getting more into the stretch for the rail. And then after that, if you can, keep holding, hold it for the remainder of the time, just in that nice position. And this is a great way to build more extension, especially in the lumbar spine.